This is a story about Ruby Bridges. Before 1954, black students and white students had to go to different schools. This was called segregation. In 1954, there was a law that said segregation was illegal. It was not legal anymore. In 1960, Ruby was 6 years old. She went to a school that only had black students. The school for white students was closer to Ruby's house, and Ruby's parents wanted her to go to school there. Ruby Bridges wrote a story. This is a book called Ruby Bridges Goes to School, written by Ruby Bridges. This is Ruby when she was 6 years old. U.S. Marshals are a kind of police officer. U.S. Marshals walked into school with Ruby so she would be safe. Some people did not want Ruby to go to the school for white students. They yelled at her and held signs. Parents took their kids out of school. Ruby was the only student in her class. Her teacher was Mrs. Henry. Eventually, children came back to school, and Ruby had friends. Ruby is now grown up. She is an adult. Ruby and her teacher, Mrs. Henry, are still friends. Now, black students and white students can go to the same schools.